Welcome to Tiny Sunshine Kids!
We love numbers, yes we do. Let's count loud and learn them too.
1 is for one, sun shining so bright.
1, 1, it feels just right. 2 is for two shoes you tie up tight. 2, 2, left and right. 3 is for 3 bees buzzing in a tree. 3, 3, buzz with me. 4 is for 4 doors open and wide. 4, 4, come inside. 5 is for 5 fingers wave and bend. 5, 5, high five friend.
6 is for 6 chicks, yellow and new. 6, 6, peep-a-boo.
7 is for 7 stars twinkling in the sky.
7, 7,
Shine up high.
8 is for 8 legs on a spider's web.
8, 8, crawl and deb. 9 is for 9 balloons flying away. 9, 9, hooray, hooray. 10 is for 10 toes dancing again. 10, 10, let's count to 10. 1 to 10, now we know. Count and sing it nice and slow. Jump and wiggle, clap and spin. Let's go back and count again.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.